Let's be honest, you're not dumb. You're just studying wrong. You cram, reread notes 100 times, pull all-nighters, and still forget everything the next day. Sound familiar? That's because your brain's not broken. Your method is. I've got 10 powerful brain hacks that actually work, and one bonus hack buried in the middle that could literally save your semester. Stick around because that one changes everything. Let's jump in. 1. The sleep sandwich. You think the secret is grinding till 3 a.m.? Nope. That's how you forget everything by morning. Here's what works. Study, sleep, study again. Sleep is like hitting save on your brain, so stop cramming like a zombie and start sleeping like a scholar. 2. Mix it up. Most people study one thing until their brain melts. That's a mistake. Switching between subjects, math, English, business, whatever, actually helps your brain create stronger memory links. It's called interleaving. Variety keeps your brain awake, alert, and learning faster. 3. Chew and focus. It sounds dumb, but chewing gum boosts focus. Science says it increases alertness and lowers stress. So next time you sit down to study, grab a stick of gum. Your brain will thank you. 4. Hydrate your brain. Your brain is about 75% water. Treat it like an engine, not a cactus. Even slight dehydration slows focus, memory, and mood. Keep a water bottle next to you. Sip often. It's the easiest upgrade you'll ever make. Bonus hack. Deploy the homework hit squad. Look, sometimes you're so far behind, no productivity hack can save you. The hole is just too deep to climb out of alone. That's when you tag in the pros. Me and my team. Reliable, confidential, built to rescue grades. We take over your assignments, essays, coding projects, even full courses, and deliver 90% plus results without the burnout. So you can stop spiraling and start breathing again. Contact links in the description, or hop into the Discord for tools, walkthroughs, and chill support. 5. The beginner trap. You watch one tutorial, get one answer right, and suddenly think you're a genius. That's the illusion of mastery. If you want real progress, push yourself past comfortable. Try harder versions, switch tools, and attack problems from new angles. Easy feels good, but hard builds smart. 6. Speed. Read. The average person reads 200 words per minute. You can triple that. Train your eyes to scan in phrases, not words. Stop sub-vocalizing. Your brain can handle way more data than you think. It just needs practice. 7. The right playlist. Lo-fi beats, ambient tracks, classical music. These improve focus and reduce stress. But skip songs with lyrics. Your brain can't study and sing along at the same time. Sorry, multitasking is a myth. 8. Study in chunks, forget marathon sessions. Study in short, focused bursts, 25 to 40 minutes. Then take breaks. It's called spaced repetition, and it's how memory champions train. The goal isn't to study longer, it's to study smarter. 9. Write by hand. Typing is faster, sure, but writing builds memory pathways. Handwriting forces your brain to process and summarize information. Slow down to learn faster. 10. The hard way wins. Everyone wants shortcuts, but shortcuts kill progress. When you wrestle with tough problems, your brain rewires itself for growth. Struggle equals learning. So embrace the grind. That's where the magic happens. If you want a complete system that puts this all together, a way to study smarter, not harder, and actually get your life back, I've put together a free masterclass where I break it all down. The link is in the description. Now go on. Be that person who proves their own brain wrong. I know you can do it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.